Well, hello everyone, welcome again to Wagon Wheel Friday, where we're going to try to identify some savvy thoroughbred investments. Well, last week we had a little bit of luck with King Magnus winning for us in the Cranbourne Cup, and so since we started doing this back on November the 3rd, our return on investment is now sitting at 17.3%, profit of nearly $32 on an investment of $184.50. Now, this week I did do a little bit of research during the midweek meetings, ran the wagon wheel over a few of the races and pretty much decided that that's not where you want to be using this particular strategy. There are too many horses that are going up noticeably in class and only get penalised 5 points. Just too many unknowns, I think, and the form is quite inconsistent, I believe. So we're just going to focus on our Saturday meetings. And the first one that we're going to be looking at this week will be the $500,000 Ballarat Cup. So I've entered the wagon wheel numbers into the spreadsheet and these are the results. Picks the favourite to win, thought of that, but it's priced at $4.50, whereas the current price from TAB is $3. So we're not going to be betting on that one. Skyman will be a bet, followed by a number of the other ones here, highlighted in green. So altogether we're going to outlay $13 on this particular race. It's pretty much come up with the horses in market order, give or take a little bit. So we're not going to get any awesomely good result if we happen to find the winner in this one. And there's also $1 million race at Kembla Grange called the TAB GONG, believe it or not. I'm not sure whether the wagon wheel is going to come up with the winner of this one. It's got all of the favourites well down in the list, and it's got some some very long priced horses at the top of the selections, and so it's come up with 8 bets we're going to need to make. Look like Elvis, a $51 chance as the top pick, but I priced it at $9.56, so I'm only going to have something like $2.50 on it, about $2 on each of the next 4 selections, $1.50 down here on Nudge. The favourite, Count de Rupee, priced at $3.60. We've got it rated here at $18, so we won't be backing the favourite. Altogether, we're going to have an outlay of $14.50 on this race. And right now, we've got a strike rate of 40%, and I think it's going to have to remain around about there for us to be profitable in this approach. So happy punting. I have uploaded the spreadsheets for you onto Google Sheets. The link, which is on the screen here, will appear in the video description, along with the instructions of how to get it onto your desktop. So I do hope you have some success if you're punting this weekend. I'm just concentrating on these 2 races, and we'll have a check on these next week, see how we're going as we tackle that really difficult challenge of beating the bookies.